Receiving the dreaded Workbench is not licensed to run on this machine? Here's what you can do. Step 1. Verify your licenses in the appropriate folder. This should be in the install directory under Security and Licenses. If needed, you may request a license from licensing@linkspring.com. Step 2. Verify the license and host ID match. The host ID will be listed in the error, and you can find the host ID for your license by opening the licensing file. Be aware your host ID may have changed if you are using a different machine, if there was a recent Windows update, if you previously installed the 32-bit and now are installing 64-bit, or vice versa, or very rarely due to a typing error when creating the license.